Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I want to show you how to download and install the atvTools to your Android TV without the Google Play Store, or even if you don't have Google Play Store. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this. So on your Android TV, if you have to install this application and you don't have Google Play Store, go over to your browser. Any browser is going to work as long as your TV is an Android TV. So what you do, go over to your browser and in the search box, you're going to type in the name of the application, which in this case is just atvTools. So go ahead and type in atvTools. So you can type atvTools or atvTools app, whatever option is going to work as okay. So here's it over here. I just type atvTools and you're going to get results like this. And here's the application. Now you can see there are two options to install the application. The first is from Google Play Store. The second is from its third-party site. Just depends on whatever option you want, but I'll always recommend the Google Play Store version. So click on it over here and you're going to get the install button and you just go ahead and install to your Android TV just like that. If the first option doesn't work, that's when I can go ahead and try the second option, but only if the first option doesn't work for you. And that's how to install the application to your Android TV without any issues. If you find a video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. Ah.